If you're watching this video, that means you're interested in learning more about the installation process. Below this video, you'll see a contact form. Now, you've probably thought, what will happen to my information once I've completed this form, and how will my information be used? In this video, you will learn what to expect once you've completed the form below and would like to receive a free estimate for a new installation. Hello, my name is Jenny Knapp, and I am one of the customer service representatives for Fire and Ice. Once you've submitted your information, typically myself or another customer service representative will reach out to you within 24 hours to get some more information on your heating and cooling needs. We will never sell your information, and these questions will determine if you qualify for service. Some examples of these questions that I'll typically ask would include, do you own or rent? Is your AC or furnace working right now? Where is your system located? How old is your system? Is your system gas or electric? We ask these questions to gain a better understanding on how we can best serve you. For an install, we will typically discuss the details, and then I will schedule a time for a residential sales professional to come out, and they'll give you a free estimate on available options. While you're waiting on your scheduled appointment, feel free to visit our Learning Center to know more about our products and our services that we offer. I hope this video provides you with more information, and we are looking forward to making your day better.